Live Good Whipped Tallow Balm, nature's deep moisture. Ever wish your moisturizer could actually heal your skin, not just sit on top of it? Meet Live Good Whipped Tallow Balm, pure nutrient-rich hydration made from 100% grass-fed, pasture-raised tallow. Whipped to a light, creamy texture, it melts right into your skin. No grease, no chemicals, just deep, natural moisture that lasts all day. Packed with vitamins A, D, E, and K, plus organic jojoba and cocoa butter, it nourishes, repairs, and protects even the driest, most sensitive skin. Eczema, rough hands, flaky skin? This balm soothes it all, naturally. No parabens, no sulfates, no fragrance, just clean, uncompromised beauty crafted in the USA. Real hydration, real results. Experience pure skin nourishment with Whipped Tallow Balm, available now at supsaver.com.